Hello guys, hi again. This is Surbhi Thakur from Unitrack Overseas, welcoming you all for the next visa applicant with us. And her name is
Jyoti.
Yeah, that's Jyoti, and she's from
Haryana.
Yeah. All right. So we would like to ask her today for which country did she apply for?
I'm going for Canada.
Canada.
Yes.
And for which course and university?
Master of Education in Curriculum and Instruction in Regina, University of Regina, that is located in Saskatchewan.
Okay. So, Jyoti,
Yes.
would like to tell us that how has been your experience with Unitrack team?
Actually, it was a very difficult question for me because Unitrack Overseas for me in this situation is like a god for me. Okay, it shows track to me, and at that time when I got the knowledge about this institute, this organization, that was a wonderful time for me because this was the organization who shows me each and everything and teaches me each and everything very flawlessly. And it was a very nice organization who will take care of each and everything of yours without bothering you. And they are the one who are very responsible for each and every document and for each and every formality which is required for your visa and for your admission.
Right, as Jyoti mentioned, that it has been a very learning experience for her, and I guess it's same for the Unitrack team also. So please listen to her and please try to have your offer from us, and we'll get it and we'll get your visa also. But next question arises is that Jyoti, what would you like to tell the prospective students?
Okay, frankly speaking, I was zero about this thing. Okay, so the day when I applied my application, I have only this much knowledge that we have to apply for application by paying some amount of fees. But this Unitrack Overseas and the member of this organization, especially Ekta, who teaches me each and everything very nicely and very step by step, she take care of each and everything, like how we have to apply the application, how our PPR will came, and she is the one who took my hospital appointment also, my biometric appointment also. Each and everything is taken care by Ekta. So it was a very wonderful experience of this organization. And Neeraj sir also, he is also very nice and very kind person. Not about only like, this is not a business, he treats us as like a family, and he takes care of us about each and everything of us. So I would like to thank this Unitrack Overseas from my heart, and I will never ever forget this Unitrack Overseas throughout my life.
Yes, as she mentioned, she would not like to forget the experience with the Unitrack team. So we would like Jyoti to show her visa now. The main
one thing I want to tell you, like when Ekta called me for this visa, that I got my stamped visa, I was in Mussoorie, and I was just in Kempty Fall, that is very famous for that, and I just come out from that fall. I was totally wet, and my phone is also not picking up from my fingers because it was also wet. But anyhow, I pick up the call, and I took the call, and she gave me the information that you got your visa. And yes, this is my visa, and this is very the best gift of my life, bestest gift of my life actually. So
yeah,
thank you.
And she is the best example. I have always, she's the best one who's been the happiest of all the interviews I have done till now. And Unitrack team is very happy to give Jyoti what she wanted. And you can be the next one. So please be here and be the next one beside me. Thank you so much. Yes, Jyoti would like to mention one thing more.
One thing more I want to tell you, that the main thing which I feel to get this visa is patience. You have to show your patience. If you have it, then definitely you get what you want. So please guys, maintain your patience, because this is the time that is a pandemic situation. Each and everything is very difficult, not for us, for them also. So it's my request to you, please show your patience. They will definitely give you a positive result. It's my trust on them, and definitely you will also get the same experience with this organization.
And that has been again a very beautiful feedback from her for Unitrack Overseas team. Thank you so much, Jyoti.
Welcome.
And this side, Surbhi Thakur and Jyoti signing off for today. Thank you so much.
Thank you.